Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn Mose stitch. This is very stretchy. This is very beautiful. It is also called granite or linen stitch. This is a beginner friendly stitch. Let's get started. Make even number chain. I make 12 chains. Make one SC from the second chain from the hook, one chain, skip this stitch, make one SC, one chain, skip another this stitch, make one SC, one chain, skip this stitch, one SC, one chain, skip this stitch, one SC, one chain, skip this stitch, one SC. Now for turn we make 2 chains here and turn your piece. Now we will work in this chain spaces. Make one SC, one chain, skip this SC, one SC, one chain, skip this one SC and make one SC in this chain space, one chain, one SC, one chain, one SC, one chain. Now in the end we will make one SC here, 2 chains and turn your piece. Similarly we will make another row. You can add row by row. Thank you for watching.